Here we have Volkswagen Golf. It's a 2-litre TDI GT DSG 150 PS. Now the car's a cracker and it comes with a top spec, including adaptive cruise control with front assist, a hydraulic brake assist, a forward collision warning, a city emergency brake, distance monitoring, along with the 17-inch Dijon alloy wheels. Now looking at the boot, it is a good size and it even comes equipped with a full-size spare wheel. The interior has a USB port for Apple or Android CarPlay, a multi-device interface and a composition media system. So for more information, feel free to phone, email or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.